Hello, hi everyone. Today we are going to learn the Porphyrin ring, which is very important in CSIR NET and some of other entrance exams for PG and any BSc level exams. So, which is very important in some other state university board exams also. So, what it's important, how it is important, and how it works the Porphyrin ring. So, we can learn more here. Porphyrin ring is a macrocyclic compound. Why it is macrocyclic compound and how it will be formed. Okay, the macrocyclic compound which has four phenol rings. These four phenol rings, which is combined with the methane group. Methane group. Okay, where it is here the methane group, and here one methane group. This is one methane group. CH2 double bond. Okay, here the porphyrin is a macrocyclic compound, and structurally porphyrin ring consists of four phenol rings. Four phenols are rings are there. This is one. This is two, three, and this one is a four. There are four phenol rings are there. How many carbon atoms are there? In a phenol, there are five carbon atoms are there. No, it's wrong. It consists of four carbon atoms and one nitrogen atom. Okay. So here, if you are observed, it is a heterocyclic compound, which is called as a pyrrole. How many are there? There are four, which is attached with the methane group, CH2, CH2 double bond. You will observe here. Okay. The pyrrole ring is five-membered heterocyclic compound consisting of one nitrogen atom and four carbon atoms. Okay. In a porphyrin ring, there are four phenol rings connected with each other, as I told before 1 minute ago. Methane, methane group. So porphyrin ring acts as both diacidic as well as diabasic. As you can observe, it is diacidic. Like we can say is both acid and base. Porphyrin ring contain 11 conjugated double bonds. What is conjugated double bonds? The conjugated double bonds. First of all, we have to know conjugation. Conjugation means the alternate double bonds in a ring. Okay, you will observe here 1 minute. I'm so sorry. Here one conjugated double bond, here one double bond, here one double bond, alternately one after another. Okay, this is the conjugation. So we can say it has 11 conjugated double bond with totally 26 pi electrons. They will ask in CSIR NET, in JAM and GATE, they will ask these type of questions. 26 pi electrons and which has 18 pi electron from a planar. 18 electrons are planar, remaining all are in between are there. Okay, so porphyrin ring structure is often described as it is aromatic. We can say it is aromatic. How can we say aromatic? The aromatic is it has extra stability. Every aromatic compounds are they have extra stability. They have highly stable conjugation and it has sp2 hybridized. Then only we can say the aromatic compounds are highly stable. Porphyrin ring combined with any metal. For example, we can say ferrous, cobalt, and magnesium, which is known as the metalloporphyrin. Why we are saying metalloporphyrin means these are the metals. These are all metals. What are those? These three: ferrous, cobalt, and magnesium. Okay, magnesium, which is present in the chlorophyll, as you know in earlier classes. When ferrous bind with the porphyrin, then it is known as a heme, which is compound in red blood cells. In red blood cells, we have hemoglobin. The hemoglobin contains porphyrin rings, which is responsible for the red blood cells. Okay, red blood cells. It has a red colored. Okay, so these porphyrin rings are very important to maintain shape and stability of red blood cells. The electronic transition in porphyrin ring is pi to pi star. There you will observe pi to pi star in the transition, electronic transition. For example, you can consider the UV visible spectroscopy. In that, there is the electronic states are the electronic transition states. You can say sigma to sigma star, pi to pi star, n to pi star, sigma to n, sigma to n, like that. There are some electronic transitions from ground state to excited state. So here it has a electronic transition state pi to pi star. Okay, so you have to remember all those things. The complexes which containing porphyrin ring color appears due to the pi to pi star. So this color how will appear? Red color how will appear means there is the transition, electronic transition, pi to pi star. This pi to pi star which is appear in red color. Okay, so, and we can move the next slide. Metalloporphyrins. These metalloporphyrins consist of magnesium, ferrous, cobalt, three types of the metals, or nickel also present. But I don't know. Nickel it has the metalloporphyrin ring. We have to see hemoprotein has the iron porphyrins and it serves as the prosthetic groups, and in the porphyrin ring the ferrous has the oxidation status +2. Okay, so metal porphyrin shows as 22 pi electrons, and it satisfy the Huckel's rules. Huckel's rule what? The aromatic compound should be planar and conjugated and highly stable, and it will be follow the 4n plus 2 pi electrons. Okay, new proteins are the polypeptide chains and the globulins apoproteins. Okay, examples of hemoproteins are myoglobin, hemoglobin, and cytochrome. Cytochrome, which is present in the leaves, which has green leaves and chlorophyll, and the myoglobin, which is present in the muscle cells. Okay, this is cytochrome. It transfers the electron. When it transfers the electron, it oxidizes to give 4 electrons are released. Then oxygen will produce. Okay, so this is the hydrogen peroxide. 2 moles of hydrogen peroxide with catalase, which is enzyme, which catalyze enzyme produce 2 moles of water and one oxygen molecule. Okay, so this is that one. This is a porphyrin ring. This is a chlorine, and this is a bacterium, bacterochlorine. Okay, this is a heme, which is called as the hemoglobin. This is magnesium, chlorophyll A, and this is a bacterochlorophyll. Okay, this is also present in liver cell. These are the properties of the hemoglobin. There are 5 billion red blood cells are there, and 280 million hemoglobin molecules are present in the hemoglobin. The hemoglobin consists of red blood cells. Okay, there are 4 heme groups, which is denoted as the Hb molecule, and similar to the myoglobin, each heme is tightly bound to the protein. That protein, which is called as the globin, through about 80 hydrophobic interacts. Hydrophobic means it does not soluble in water. Okay, and as a single coordinated bond between imidazole of the proximal histidine. Histidine is responsible for the allergy and ferrous 2 plus ions. Molecular weight of the hemoglobin is 64,500 tetramer, and the hemoglobin has four chains. Four chains. In that four chains, there are two alpha and two beta. Two identical chains labeled alpha with 141 amino acids, and two identical beta chains with 146 amino acids. Okay, so these are all very important. You have to understand. Okay, this is alpha. This is alpha, and this is also alpha. This is a heme. Okay, the biological roles of the hemoglobin. Hemoglobin binds to its heme iron at the lungs and delivers oxygen to the myoglobin, which stores the oxygen until it is required for the metabolic oxidation. So the hemoglobin binds with oxygen. Okay, this oxygen, it goes to the lungs. After deliver the oxygen into the lungs, it will reach the myoglobin. Myoglobin, where it is present? Myoglobin in muscles. Okay, in muscles. So lungs and delivers oxygen to myoglobin, which stores the oxygen until it is required. From where it is required oxygen, then there will be metabolic oxidation will be happen, and carbon dioxide will be removed or released. Okay, the second task of hemoglobin is bring to carbon dioxide, byproduct of oxidation, back to the lungs, get rid of it. So this is a amine group which is react with carbon dioxide and produce hydrogen atom is released, and amine will be degraded. Carbon dioxide also buffering as a result of the reversible formation of carbonic acid. So what are the functions of hemoglobin in the human body means? So hemoglobin is an oxygen carrier. Hemoglobin is a carbon dioxide carrier. Hemoglobin gives rise to red color to blood. Hemoglobin maintains the shape of the red blood cells, and it acts as a buffer. It interacts with the other ligands, and the degradation accumulates physiologically active catabolitides. What is catabolitides? Catabolic reactions means what? It will break the fats and some of um, lipids. Okay, so this is the hemoglobin structure. Ferrous 2 plus. There will be four nitrogen atoms, four ferrol rings, which is connected with the methane group. Okay, this is the carboxylic groups. Thank you, which is very thank you. We have to study that, sir.